Hello, this is Abby from OllieHolly.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I transition into a back loop or front loop only. In the next round, I will be working into the back loops only, so I'm going to cut my tail and fasten off. Then I'm going to thread the tail onto my darning needle, and I'll be working the seamless join in the round. Do so by locating the second stitch, inserting your needle into the stitch and out the back, and then into the center of the final stitch and out the back. If you want to see that done a little bit slower, I have a more dedicated video tutorial and I'll link it in the description box down below. Weave the tail in, then trim off the excess yarn tails. With a slip knot on your hook, insert your hook into the center of the stitch and out the back. Make a single crochet. Continue working into the back loops only by inserting your hook in through the center and out the back. In the next round, I will show you how to work into the front loops only, so I'm going to fasten off. Thread the tail from the slip knot onto a darning needle and weave the tail in. Then we'll do a seamless join in the round with the yarn tail from when we fastened off. Weave the tail in and then trim off any excess bits of yarn. You can see that the transition is pretty seamless. With a slip knot on your hook, we're going to be working into the front loops only for this next round. Insert your hook from the front of the stitch and out the center. Make a single crochet. Continue working into the front loops only of each stitch by inserting your hook into the front of the stitch and out the center. I'm working the vintage camping lantern pattern from my site, so I'll be alternating between making one single crochet and increasing for this round. If the next round of the pattern you are working on does not require you to work into the back loops or front loops, you can continue working your piece without fastening off. For my lantern pattern, the next round is worked into the back loops only. So I'm going to fasten off here, seamless join in the round, and weave the tails in. Thank you so much for following along with this video. Subscribe for more video tutorials and please visit ollieholly.com for free amigurumi patterns. You can also follow me on Instagram at olliehollycrochet to get updates on what I'm currently working on. That's it for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!